Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best wood carving tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wood carving tools. Starting at number 5. We have the SIMILKY SK7 carbon steel wood carving tools. The best made grafts are the development of the leading SK7 carbon steel. Aside from being high caliber, the ingredients are similarly opposed to different decay components to realize the longevity of administration. It considers improved stability by minimizing noise and ensuring that the entire body of each protected pack is replaced. The response to misfortune and pilferage has therefore been incredibly diminished. Moving on at number 4. We have the Mutter Wood Handle Carving Chisels Tools. This 17-piece wood carver toolkit contains a huge range of differently sized tools, allowing them to be used by people of any age and skill level. They're designed to take on more than just wood, handling materials like cork and clay fairly well to make them a versatile part of your tool chest. The kit also comes with 4 whetstones for sharpening and polishing the tools, and each one has its own pen-style wooden handle that improves precision and accuracy while carving. Keeping the entire set contained is the EVA storage case, made with durable and protective materials to improve the lifespan of your tools. If you're often trying to carve through more than just wood, this kit contains exactly what you might need to get through similar materials with almost no loss in performance, safety, precision, or quality. At number 3, we have the BeaverCraft wood carving hook knife. This hook knife set contains not only the hook knife itself but also other useful tools that can come in handy for spoon carving. All of them are made using good quality materials, including linseed oil-coated oak for the ergonomic handles and strong metal blade pieces that can deal with all but the toughest of wood types. They're suitable for both beginner projects and as a product for professionals, offering a high level of performance for delicate cuts, creating recesses in wood or carving out certain shapes without harming the surface too much. The quality of each blade also ensures that they stay sharp for longer periods of time, even after heavy use. These wood carving tools are ideal for a range of different woodworking techniques and work well both together and as individual products. At number 2, we have the Gimars 12-set SK5 carbon steel carving tools. This set of knives contains 3 different walnut-handled cutting instruments. The hook knife handles round edges, and the chip carving knife allows for precise detail, while the sloyd knife is perfect for whittling down large pieces of wood into finer shapes. Each blade is built into the handle for maximum stability and cutting accuracy, and you also get a small piece of cow leather for cleaning them in a quick, efficient manner. Even better, the kit also contains wax for helping you keep each of the blades sharp, as well as a basic block of wood to practice on. The durable and comfortable designs of the handles make these knives perfect for taking on difficult projects without letting them slip out of your hand or suddenly veer off in an awkward direction. These knives are stylish, comfortable, and easy to use even as a complete beginner. And finally at number 1. We have the Schaaf full-size wood carving tools. Not at all like other common tools, it simultaneously highlights the development of chromium vanadium steel. The material is adaptable enough to bend from the tight position and the ideal position. You are guaranteed later comfort and incredible results. Therefore, you are probably going to tackle and suppress the entire furniture at once. Beyond the combination of chromium vanadium steel development, the machine is further solidified in Rockwell C60 policies. This visualization goes a long way in making it even more compact. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.